another water body in Senegal. I think is Kafuntu. I'll remember the name. I do not remember the name. But you know, everything for me is lovely in Africa. Yeah, it is lovely. I've got all this gold mud on my socks, on my arms. I was in a gold mountain. I wonder if I'm picking up any gold. I hope you didn't hear that. Yeah. Look at the bus. Fully loaded. And these suckers are fast. They're fully loaded and fast. And this is the other side. Okay. So they built a road through the middle of this water body. Very nice. It was needed. Well, you want me to say something or conservative conservation? It was needed. What, would you prefer them building a bridge? No, just run a road through it. You know, people need to get from that part of the shore and you go that way to Calda. You know, instead of... Do you know how far you've got to go? You have to go all the way down as if you're going towards Guinea-Bissau. Come around to come here. So you won't hear me say anything bad about them putting this road through the water body. Because I know the distance needed to be traveled to get here. It's not close. I've been driving since yesterday, 12 o'clock. I'm coming from, no, I'm lying. Yeah, 12 o'clock. I came from Karakini, then I went to Soraya, then Dembo, then Kidigu, and Kidigu, I left Kidigu around 2 o'clock. And then I got to, in the afternoon, I got to Mako. About 4 o'clock I was at Mako. And then in the evening, I got to Misra. Then after Misra, I went to Tamukunda. From Tamukunda, I made a left. I came south to Manda. So if your name is Amanda, yes, there's a place called Manda in Senegal. And from Manda, I went to Velingara. 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 And then from Velingara was trying to cross the border at Sabaka. It was closed, so I came back to Velingara, slept, got up this morning, and I've been driving now, what time is it? Like 4 hours? Yeah, I started driving at 5:22. And it's 10 something now. So yeah, I've been driving for 5 hours. And I've got another hour and a half before I get to the border, which is Zenoba or Senoba, but they say Zenoba. And from Zenoba I go to Jarasuma, Gambia, and then from Jarasuma I head west. I head west to Combo. I've got to stop in Brikama. There's someone annoying in Brikama. I've got to stop by Brikama, then Kitty, and then yeah, wherever I head afterwards. That's basically my journey. I've been driving. I've been on the road now 23 hours. So this time yesterday I was in a gold field. I was in gold. Red dirt. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. He gave his little brother the bicycle to carry on. See? He said, I will walk. My little brother can ride. Do you hear the sirens? Do you see the traffic jam? You see, right? Do you hear all the car horns? Yes. You hear them, right? Yeah. This guy may blow his horn. He and his girl on the bike. Yeah. Do not say anything about health and safety if you do not want to hear it. It's called live and let live. Yes. So that bus up there is loaded with reed. But yeah. And here's another bus coming. Another bus coming behind of me. Gele gele. Oh, he's not full. But normally they're packed. That's a gele gele. All right, well, Sylvester has been doing good. And if anyone wanted to know why it's called Sylvester, my friend Stephen died of cancer a few years ago. And then a bastard killed my childhood friend Sylvester, so it's called Sylvester, Stephen Vester. And yeah, they have been a company on this journey all the way from Africa. So yeah, this entire journey is dedicated to my great grandmother, Tata, the boss, you know. And yeah, so I brought Sylvester and Stephen along with me also. I know they would have. That bastard that killed Sylvester, he should not be in prison. That's all I'm saying. Punk. But yeah, at least they're here in Africa with me. All three of them. Let me carry on. Yeah, let me carry on. So, see y'all on the flip side. Meaning up the hill some more. Oh, my battery almost died. So how many trips you make a day? How many trips? How many trips? How many trips you make a day? 10?